Ngizobambelela kusona, ngizobambelela kusona isiphambano ngisengizuzumqele wami. Bambelela kusona mina ngizobambelela kusona isiphambano.
So we are here at Mlindazwe, and something amazing happened. We have an amazing pastor here, Pastor Pendulile, and she, with the help of our other pastors, finished a house in less than a week. So let me, Pastor Pendulile.
Yes, I'm Pastor Pendulile Mlangeni from Mlindazwe ICBC. So this is my house, and here is the bedroom, and this is the bathroom here, and then this is an open plan kitchen with the sitting room, and then there's the office. That's the office.
Okay, that's good. And how long did you take to build this?
It took 4 days.
4 days. And how many people did you have helping you?
I had basically 3, ranging from 3 to 4.
So you and 3 people
Yes.
build this house in 4 days?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm holding a camera, so give yourself a hand. Let me see that. Give yourself a hand. Yeah. This is in Mlindazwe, and this is what happens when 5 people decide to build a house. Just want to let you know that they've made the blocks for this house themselves. They built this house themselves within 5 days. Thank you so much for your prayer. Thank you so much for your support. And I am excited to see what God's going to do in this community, because with vision comes provision. Thank you so much, and yeah, watch this space.